working on this square body 4x4. It's going to take a number of steps to get things completed. One thing is replacing the rust. I have a repair panel for both cab corners, and they need it. But to access that, the bed has to be moved. So what I've done is I've unbolted 4 bolts on each side, 8 bolts total, that hold the bed to the frame. It's not easy to do. These were rusted, only one unbolted. The rest I had to cut out. I drilled from the top and knocked them down with a punch. Then what has to be done is the gas filler has to be unbolted from the body so that that doesn't get ripped out. And there's a ground wire under there that has to be unbolted. And back at the rear, there's a hose that vents the rear that bolts to the body. That also has to be unbolted, as well as undoing the wiring harness from the body, which in this case was already done. So what I did was I used my engine hoist over the side and I lifted the body up, and now I've got 4x4s on it, and I don't need to slide it more than about maybe 6 inches, and then I'll be able to access those cab corners. Separating the body from the bed. Well, cleaning up the rust and coating it will keep it from rusting too fast. I don't know that anything will stop it at 100%, but it's going to be a whole lot better.